Of the 6 post-election violence suspects, these 2 are the most significant. William Ruto and Uhuru Kenyatta both want to run in next year's presidential election. And they command a huge following from their ethnic communities, 2 of the largest in Kenya. William Ruto, accused of crimes against humanity, has repeatedly said he is innocent.
I am ready for everything. I am ready for the charges to be confirmed. Unfortunately, if they are, and if falsehood and schemes and machinations triumph over truth, I am prepared all the way.
Support for the International Criminal Court has been deepening, especially with communities both William Ruto and Uhuru Kenyatta represent. And these are the communities that are the heart of the post-election violence. Some analysts argue that the 2 are scapegoats, and whatever they did, it was with the blessing of their political parties, both in the government coalition. They say that should the cases be thrown out, then that could mean that those ultimately responsible are higher up in government.
It could point them to the 2 principles ultimately, that if these 2 guys are not the ones, then it must be the president and the prime minister.
The International Criminal Court's prosecutor, Luis Moreno Campo, as part of his evidence, makes the allegation that some of the plans for retaliatory attacks in Rift Valley were made in State House, the president's official residence, accusations the president's office denies. The country seems to be getting more divided as the election year approaches. The focus is increasingly on the 6 suspects. Yet, thousands of victims of the 2008 violence continue to struggle just to survive, like Susan Kiarie, who was expelled from her home and cannot go back.
If the charges of these people who have gone to The Hague are confirmed, how will we know that their communities will not plan to commit revenge? I'm afraid.
They're all watching developments in the country and in The Hague and hoping the outcome will not divide their country any further. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera, Nairobi.